One of the big mistakes you are going to make in your life today is about skipping this video without learning what I'm going to show you. If you are looking for a place you can learn how to invest or how to do your own business without any capital, you understand, using only your knowledge to make business or to create business, this channel is the best channel for you. Make sure to stay with me. I always bring you videos about how you can invest and how to learn to create your own business around Africa. You understand me? So stay with me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you're the first person to have it without wasting your more time. Stay with me with this video and share with your family and friends.
Hey guys, do you know that snail farming can give you a consistent stream of income, either a side hustle or your main business? Do you also know that you can sell snail slime, breeding snails, pet snails, baby snails, also export snails of different sizes for the international market and make huge money both in local and foreign currency? Yes, you can. And you can start your snail farm in less than 30 days and start making money in less than 6 months. Let me tell you how. My name is Henry Akpo. I'm the CEO of Arape Farms Limited. Exactly 6 years ago, I was dead broke without a job. If you're in Nigeria, you know what it actually means by being dead broke. I started my snail farm in an abandoned swampy land in the beautiful city of Warri. I worked my ass off in that 20 feet by 25 feet space, trying different methods and systems until I found out what actually works. My 250 breeders gave me 10,000 snails in my first year. I sold them all in 4 months. The skills that gave me these results are what I have been using to set up farm for clients over 30 states of the country, and the results are amazing. The more result my client get, the more effective the system becomes. Listen, this is not like every other training out there. There are skills that have been practiced for more than 5 years with consistent results. I decided to create a comprehensive course from this training so that everyone who wants to make money from snail farming can have access to acquire the skills and not some copy and paste information. In this training, you will learn how to construct the right structure for your snail farm. This structure will help you to maintain a favorable climate condition for your snails. You will learn how to prepare your farm for stocking, how to section your farm so that your snails can produce large numbers of eggs, how to choose the right species of snail for your snail farm, how to choose the right product to sell to increase income. You will learn the secret on how to manipulate environmental factors to favor production and growth. You will learn about the environmental factor that can hinder growth and production. You will learn how to manage farm snails and how to manage them to mate and produce eggs. You will learn how to feed them at different stages of their life, as well as the right feed to feed your snails. You will learn about all the factors that causes mortality in snails and how to prevent them from happening in the farm. Learn about all the daily activities that are used to produce 10,000 snails from 250 pieces in 180 days. Guess what? I'm offering you 12 months of my mentorship service that is worth 100,000 for free when you sign up for this training today. The normal price for this training is 70,000 naira. My mentorship is 100,000 naira. The total is 170,000 naira, but I'm giving it out for 35,000 naira only for today. And the beautiful thing is that we are ready to buy off your snails every 4 months when you practice the skills and get the desired result. This is a limited offer, so get it now. Click on learn more on this video to get this training now.